Want to add a professional-looking progress bar to your Google Sheets? In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create a dynamic progress bar that updates automatically as your data changes. Let's get started. Here, we have a simple table with student names, their grades, marks, and percentages. We'll use the REPT function to create a dynamic progress bar in the last column. To generate a progress bar, click on the first cell under progress and enter this formula, equals REPT open parenthesis, vertical bar, comma D, 2 times 100 close parenthesis. Here's how it works. The REPT function repeats a character based on the percentage value in column D. The higher the percentage, the longer the bar. Now let's make it look better. Step 1, select the progress bar column and go to More Fonts. Step 2, choose Badeen Display Font for a more stylish look. Step 3, drag the formula down to apply it to all rows. And just like that, your progress bar is now dynamic and updates automatically when you change the percentage. Now, whenever the percentage changes, the progress bar automatically updates with color, and that's it. You now have a professional-looking, dynamic progress bar in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Google Sheets tips. See you in the next video.